Let's make bitter leaf soup using freshly plucked bitter leaves. So in a bowl, you add in the freshly plucked bitter leaf, you add some salt, you add a little bit of water, and then you wash out the bitterness from the leaf. After that, you parboil it for 30 seconds, then you strain out the water to remove excess bitter taste in the leaf. And we'll be using some dry fish. You can use any kind of dry fish of your choice. So I decided to use panla fish, dried croaker fish, bonga fish. So next step is to debone the dried fish. After deboning the dried fish, you add some salt to it and add some lukewarm water to it to remove any germs and insects. We'll be pounding our boiled cocoyam, but I decided to use a food processor to pound mine. So for this recipe, we are going to be extracting our oil from fresh palm kernel nuts. Next step is to get the boiled palm kernel nuts, which you're going to use a food processor. If you have a mortar, you can use a mortar to pound the palm kernel nuts to extract the oil from it. You pour in some hot water into the peeled palm kernel nuts, and then you squeeze out using your hands to extract the oil from the nuts. After that, you strain out to remove any chaff from it. Once that is done, you pour it into your beef stock. You add in salt to taste, Maggi if necessary. You pound some crayfish and yellow habanero pepper. You add it into the soup. You add your pounded cocoyam. This acts as a thickener to the soup. You cover it up for it to melt into the soup. You add in the secret ingredient, which is ogiri, for an Igbo soup. Without these ingredients in an Igbo native soup, you're not cooking an Igbo native soup. So once that is done, you add in uziza leaf and you add in the washed bitter leaf. So you let that cook for 1 minute and your soup is ready. See how lovely this soup is looking. So I'll be pairing it up with eba. Like this is an Igbo gari, which I brought from the village. So have you tried pounding your gari? Try this method and thank me later. This is actually very, very good. It gives you that dry consistency, like your gari comes out really, really good, like the Eastern eba. Do you understand? So this actually went well with my soup. So will you be trying this method of cooking bitter leaf soup and making your gari? Let me know in the comment section. And if you've gotten to this stage of watching this video, then I can see that you're interested in this recipe. So please don't forget to like and comment, and also follow and turn on the notification box to get new videos from me.